Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Use Something New. Next week's theme will be Color Green. Also, we enter our projects into hashtag Satin Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. The ladies' links will be down below, so make sure you go over and visit them. And let me just jump right in. So this week I am using Cottage Cuts once again. This is something new for me. I purchased this a little bit ago, and so I'm finally getting around to using it. I am also using Whimsy Stamps, and this is the honeycomb pattern die, I think is what it says. So I'm using that. This is from My Creative Time. It's an older set, and I don't even know what the name of it is, but it is retired. And I'm just using that tree and the leaves on there. From Queen of Craft, I'm using this die as well. I think this came from Queen of Craft too. If it didn't, it fit perfectly. So I'm using both of those. And I think that is it that I'm using, besides some enamel dots that I just had in my stash. This is what I created for Use Something New, and I thought I would go ahead and do those little bees. They are adorable. Look at the little cheeks on them things. They're so cute. And I did add the little jelly pin. I used a jelly pin to add the dots in the center of the eyes, and I just pulled some enamel dots out of my stash. And I thought that turned out pretty cute. I did ink up the sides. You can see it a little bit, but I did use some inking on there as well. But it's so cute. And then the inside, I just took the fallout from the center of this die and popped it in the inside like that and made it as a shaped card. So really like how it turned out. Tell me what you think down below. And don't forget to go visit Lisa and Gloria, as well as Jillian Norwood, who's the creator and founder of hashtag Satin Makes. Okay, and that is about it. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.